Hi, I'm Ralph Page, Systems Architect at Samtec. I'm at DesignCon 2021, where we have a number of really interesting demonstrations. This one in particular is gaining a lot of interest. In this new 112 gigabits per second PAM4 product demonstration, Samtec marries an SI evaluation kit for the new AcceleRate HP interconnect system with a Synopsys 112 gigabits per second PAM4 transceiver test chip. The test setup emulates real-world applications by routing differential pair signals from the Synopsys device through the AcceleRate HP high-performance arrays. QPBRS31 data travels from the Synopsys transceiver through about an inch of trace in an ITERA MT40 PCB to a Samtec 70 GHz bullseye high-performance test system. This is the Samtec BE70A connector set. The signals travel through 6 inches of coax cable to 1.85mm compression mount jacks on the first SI evaluation board, and then through 2 inches of trace to a mated set of right angle or 90-degree Samtec AcceleRate HP connector system. These are the APMX6 vertical array and the right angle APF6 socket array. The signals then exit the second PCB through 1.85mm compression mount jacks through another 6 inch of coax cable back through the bullseye and then return to the Synopsys transceiver test chip. The results are impressive. The overall channel loss is 32.5 dBs at 20 GHz. Of course, the Samtec evaluation platform accounts for only a few of those dBs. The eyes are wide open, and the pre-FEC bit error rate is e to the -7. Of course, the post-FEC bit error rate would be 0. Samtec offers a growing portfolio of easy-to-use SI evaluation kits for testing many of Samtec's high-performance interconnect solutions. System architects and design engineers are interested in bleeding-edge performance, and this is one of several Samtec connector systems rated at 112 gigabits per second PAM4 that provide the designer outstanding design flexibility. For more information on Samtec SI evaluation kits, please visit samtec.com/kits. If you have any questions about these demonstrations, please contact us at sig@samtec.com. My name is Ralph Page. Thank you very much for your time, and thanks for watching.